What is a guardian ad litem in my custody case? Well, my name is Bobby Dale Barina, and I've been practicing family law for 30 years. And in that time, I've seen thousands of cases from the beginning to the end involving custody and divorce matters. A guardian ad litem is a court-appointed representative that's only job is to look out for the best interests of that child. And they can come in a few different forms. They can come as an attorney ad litem type of person who is appointed for that role, or somebody else in Texas. It could be a CASA member, somebody like that. Somebody who's been trained by going to educational classes on how to look at divorce and custody issues and to maintain a clear path about what's in the best interest of the child or children. They also investigate the facts and they prepare an opinion and prepare a report for the judge to review. Guardian ad litem is extremely important. It's something that every custody case needs to evaluate whether one is needed, whether one should be requested, or if one is just appointed usually out of hand by the judge. You need to make sure that as a client or a potential person going through a case that involves a guardian ad litem, what their role is and how to interact with them. In my firm, we've always taken a very proactive approach in dealing with guardian ad litems. We have a number of courts in Central Texas that routinely appoint somebody to be the guardian ad litem. We identify who that person is, we provide them with the pleadings, we provide them with a summary of what we believe the evidence is going to be for the purpose of helping the client. For those of you who are beginning the process and looking for how to best approach a situation involving a guardian ad litem, just remember they're going to repeat everything to the court if it affects the best interests of the child or children. They're going to be stopping by the house. They're going to be judging you to a great extent to try to formulate an opinion about where the child would be best suited between the two parties. It's very important. Now, we've had a lot of cases that really turn on our interaction with the guardian ad litem. You need to be in constant contact with the guardian and your attorney to make sure that things are being done that give the guardian ad litem the information they need. When they're up there with no real tie to one party or the other, and they're telling the judge that this parent, for these reasons, are the better parent for that child, you really want them to be telling the judge that you're the better parent. Now, through all the cases we've dealt with, there are many examples where our opposing parties, our opposing attorneys, I like to call them opposing counsels, do not take the role of guardian ad litem very seriously. And that usually works to their detriment, the detriment of their client. So establish a plan when you're going to meet with the guardian ad litem, prepare a list in consultation with the guardian ad litem about issues they want to talk about, lists they want to see, documents that need to be provided, and then schedule an appointment with your attorney to go over these things. If you don't have access to an attorney, pay particular attention to the guardian ad litem then about the information they're seeking and make sure it's promptly given, calls are promptly returned. If you'd like to talk more about this issue or other issues involving divorce or custody, please drop me a line. I'd be glad to talk about it. Thank you.